Hello everyone, today we will going to learn animal respiration, which is of 7th class topic of science subject. Okay, so respiration is very important first of all for every living organism present on the earth. Okay, that perform a process which is known as respiration. What is respiration? Respiration is nothing but the exchange of gases from where to where, from where like there are present of ultimate vast number of oxygen or other gases present in the surrounding in our atmosphere. Okay, so for living organism they need to take up that oxygen present in the atmosphere, okay, into the body and releasing out carbon dioxide. So there are so many animals, we as we all know, like there are insects, right? Insects, there are butterflies, beetles, earthworm, cockroaches, and big elephants, then small rats, aquatic animals, all are required the process which is respiration. Okay, frog is there. Okay, frog is also required the respiration process. Okay, so here you can see frog, this animal is there, elephant is there, fishes are there, shark is there, butterfly is there. Okay, so there are many animals present on the earth which are ultimately required the oxygen, who are depend upon the respiration for their survival. If respiration was not there, respiration process was not there, then they could not survive. Okay, so as I had told you that respiration is nothing but the exchange of gases. Okay, what is that? Exchange of gases with the surrounding, with the environment, taking in oxygen, okay, and releasing out carbon dioxide, which is also written as CO2, and oxygen is also written as O2. Okay, this exchange happens at the cellular level to produce energy. Why this is happen? Where it is happened? It was happened inside the body where cells, tissues, organs were present and produces energy. This energy is required for the functioning of the body, for the living ones. Okay, as you can see, a cow is there. Okay, what it releases through his nose? Carbon dioxide. What he takes in? Oxygen. Okay, releasing out carbon dioxide and taking oxygen. This carbon dioxide will get abundant in the environment, in the surrounding. Then there are other living system were present in the surrounding, such as trees, plants. They take up carbon dioxide and in exchange of carbon dioxide they gives out oxygen, and this oxygen is not useful for them, so that's why they are releasing out. And that oxygen are very much important for we people, for animals, so we are taking that oxygen. Okay, the oxygen and the respiration is nothing also for the detoxifying our body. Okay, because carbon dioxide is not good for our health, it is toxic, and through breathing process we are detoxifying the carbon dioxide from our body. Next one is the importance. Okay, breathing is quite important. We can survive without food. Okay, without food for let's say for 20 days. Okay, without water we can survive for let's say 5 to 10 days, but without breathing, without oxygen, we couldn't survive even for a minute. Okay, few minutes we can't survive. So that's much breathing and oxygen is important. As you can see, oxygen cycle is there. Okay, so oxygen is written as I have told you, O2. Animal releases out carbon dioxide. Where this carbon dioxide goes? In the surrounding, and through the surrounding where it goes in the green plants. Okay, green trees, plants. That's the reason why all scientists and the scholars are enhancing people's diet. Please plant the trees, plant the plants. Why? Because of this thing only, they are providing us oxygen, and if we are not planting any trees and green things, then the oxygen will not came, and there will be abundance of carbon dioxide, and that carbon dioxide will lead to the death of the animals, including human beings, cow, buffalo, surrounding animals, everyone. Okay, so That's why it is very important. We literally can't survive without the oxygen, without the breathing process. Through like in animals such as human beings, then cow, dog, buffaloes, okay, goat, sheep, where they do the respiration through their nose, right, which is present in the mouth part, upper mouth part, and in the face, okay, upper body part. But there are some animals or many animals which are present on the earth. They are not performing this function through the nose, they are performing this function through their special system, okay, throughout the body. Such as, first example is cockroach or the earthworm. See, as you can see, this image is of earthworm. So earthworm do the respiration process because he is also a what we living organism, and it performs that breathing process through where, from the skin, not from the nose, okay. Through skin itself it takes carbon dioxide, and through skin itself it releases out oxygen, okay. So this is how the exchange of gases take place in the earthworm, in cockroaches. Next example is fish. Fish, we all know that it is a aquatic animal, right, and where it is present in the water, okay. In water also the animals required oxygen, okay. From where the oxygen came in water, there is already oxygen dissolved in the dissolved form, okay. So from the oxygen from the water, the fishes, the aquatic animals, take the oxygen and releases out carbon dioxide, okay. And as we have nose, right, earthworm have skin, this fishes has gills, which is present here, like here, okay, behind the eye, okay. So which is nothing but the gills, also called gills. As we had lungs, they had gills, okay, through which they exchange the gases, taking oxygen and releasing out carbon dioxide into the water, okay. Next example is insect, a tracheal system. Insect has tracheal system. Will you tell me that which insect is this and this too? This is nothing but the housefly, or we can say honeybee. Honeybee and housefly both are what? Both are insects, and this is nothing but the cockroach, a household insect, okay. So in those insects also specialized structure were there in the body, not the nose, okay, not in the head. It was present throughout the body, like this, okay, here also. And this is called spiracles. A small opening which is present throughout the body is called spiracles, and through that spiracles they exchange the gases, okay. Spiracles is nothing but the small holes. As we have nose, there are two holes present in the nose, okay, outside if we see. But and same the insect also present the small opening in the body, which responsible for the exchange of gases, which is called as spiracles, okay. Spiracles here also and here also, small opening, okay, minute spore opening. Tracheal system, this called tracheal system, okay. Next one is lungs, where it present in the human beings, right, we people. We had lungs, we had two lungs present, okay. One is left lung and another one is right lung, okay. These two lungs has a further complex structures present in them, right. Here you can see a small sac like structure were present, okay. This sac like structure is called as alveoli, alveolar sac or alveoli, many pronunciation were there, okay, which is present inside the lungs. And here the tube is there, canal is there, okay, through which the air came, okay, air came, and this two direction it goes, and here the carbon dioxide moves out and oxygen takes in, okay, through that, and then the exchange of gases take place in the lungs. In this system, the blood plays a very crucial role, okay. The human bodies or the animals' blood play a very crucial role in the respiration. Why? Because it binds the oxygen molecule into the blood, hemoglobin, okay. Hemoglobin is nothing but the pigment present in the blood, which is responsible for the giving of red color to our blood. So oxygen get bind into the hemoglobin pigment, which is present in RBC. Okay, RBC. Then this RBC was like this oxygen was bind in the lungs through the alveolar sac, and then that blood goes throughout the body and delivers oxygen, takes up carbon dioxide, and again that blood will flow to the lungs, which is also called deoxygenated blood. And when it goes out the body, goes to the body, it's called oxygenated blood. It takes oxygenated blood, and when it goes from the body towards the lungs, then it takes deoxygenated blood with the CO2, and here is oxygen is there. Okay, and this is how the carbon dioxide when came to the again lungs along with the along with the blood, then it releases, the blood releases carbon dioxide into the lungs, same in the alveolar sac, and that carbon dioxide then came through this pipe, this canal, okay, and then trachea, sound box, and then through nose. So this is how the carbon and oxygen were exchanging, okay, at the same place in the lungs. So that's all for the topic of organism respiration. Okay, I hope you all got this. Thank you.